Hello viewers, today I came back with a video tutorial on singleton pattern. Yeah, here you can see in the first slide, singleton pattern. This singleton pattern is one of the simplest design patterns. It involves only one class which is responsible to instantiate itself to make sure it creates not more than one instance. So that's why it is called singleton pattern. It provides a global point of access to that instance. In this case, same instance can be used from everywhere. And up to now I explained in the theory form in the 4 bullet points. Now I have to tell about the examples where we use this singleton pattern. So I collected some of the examples from the net. Here these are the examples. Here you can see logger class, configuration class, accessing resource in a shared mode, factories implemented as a singleton. These are the examples where we can use this singleton pattern. Next I am going to second slide. In the second slide we will see about a class diagram, how this singleton pattern implemented in our program in the form of class diagram. See here this is the class diagram of our program. We have two classes. One is singleton pattern class and the next one is main singleton pattern class. So coming to singleton pattern class, we have one constructor and one method, that is get instance, and the access specifier of this method is public, and the return type of this method is singleton pattern, that means return of the class object. And next coming to main singleton pattern, class having main method. That's it. This is the class diagram of our program. So I explain in the form of diagram. Next I have to explain in the form of code. Here you can see singleton pattern class. The access specifier is public and the class name is singleton pattern, and one static variable I created, and the name of this variable is in singleton pattern. I told now we have one constructor that is private. Here one main point is constructor is private. Constructor is private, so we can't initialize the object in of this class in another classes. So that's why how the singleton pattern is created. In this form the singleton pattern is created. And next coming to get instance method. This is the global access point for this class. How the access specifier of this class is public, and static return type of this method is singleton pattern class of the object of this class. Next coming to the code, what I had written in this method is we have one condition which is checking the variable whether it is null or not. If it is null means just create the object and return. If not null means just return the object. That's it. Next I am going to main singleton pattern class. Here in this main singleton pattern class I had written one code, singleton pattern equal to singleton pattern dot get instance. Here I didn't created the object. Get instance is returning the object, so only single object can be created and maintained. These are the two lines of the code, how we created the object. Here if you are seeing means I created that, I returned the same code twice. Why? To know whether the object is created or it is using the same object. For that purpose I returned the same code twice. Up to now I explained the code, and in this next slide I am going to show you the output, and this is the output. Singleton pattern @1540E19D. This is the object location, and the say twice I printed it. Here if you identify means same object is used, it didn't created the new object. So this is the program just now explained. The Just theory part explanation is not needed. We have to implement it. For that purpose, I am going to execute the program. Up to now I explained here. This is the program. This is the main program module I created for this video purpose. Here you can see main singleton pattern and singleton pattern classes, and the code which I explained in the previous slides. Now same code I had written here. For time reducing purpose, I am showing the code. I am not explaining the code and just showing the code. That's it. Here you can see this highlighted part. In the second class, main singleton pattern class, this is the main class. Same code I had written here. Now I am executing the code, friends. See? Yeah, now it is building our code. Yeah, the output came. Here you can see. Same object is created and used. It didn't create the new object. That's the main point here we have to understand. Goodbye, friends. Thank you, and I will keep on posting this video on object-oriented programs. Thank you and goodbye.